Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to work with a charcoal chimney starter. These things range from about probably 15 to, I don't know, 20 bucks, but it's a really great investment. And I'm going to show you why. Alright, so first thing you want to do is grab some old newspaper or paper towels, something you're not really worried about catching fire or destroying. Looks like I got a good amount here. What you're going to do, you're actually going to place this on the bottom end. Alright. Guess I had a little bit more than I planned on. Next, you're going to take your charcoal and you're just going to get this going. And it really depends on how much you plan on cooking. I think that should be sufficient. I'm only going to do like 3 burgers. And I know a lot of people are against lighter fluid, but you know, I think it'll do a little bit of good. Alright. All we're going to do is light this bad boy at the bottom. Light this bad boy at the bottom. And just let it go to work. It's really actually pretty simple. And we'll give this about 10-15 minutes, something like that. Then I'll dump the charcoal onto one side of the grill because you want direct heat and indirect heat. And then I'm gonna show you how to make burgers 3 different ways. So, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And I will see you in probably about 20-30 minutes.